How to draw a cartoon fox. Learn how to draw a cartoon fox is easy enough for beginners. Start a sketch with this tutorial. Step by step cute fox drawing. Step 1. Shape the head. Start by drawing the shape of the head, which can be drawn very easily using rounded lines. Step 2. Add ears. Draw the pointed ears of the fox using the lines to be drawn from the head. Step 3. Draw the eyes. Now draw the round cartoon eyes of the fox, and also, as in the example, leave circles that will be the reflection of the light in the eyes of the fox. Step 4. Add eyebrows. Add small eyebrows above the fox's eyes. Step 5. Add a nose. Continuing to add parts of the fox's face, the next step is to sketch out a cute fox nose. Step 6. Draw the mouth. Draw a cute fox mouth using curved lines that are drawn from the middle of the bottom of the nose. Step 7. Add body shape. As in the example, draw the guidelines for the shape of the fox's body. Step 8. Draw the front legs. Draw the simple legs of the fox, as well as the rounded paws towards the bottom. Step 9. Add hind legs. Now draw the fox's hind legs in the same way as the front ones. But keep in mind that the shape of the hind legs is different from the front ones. Step 10. Draw the tail. Now draw a large fluffy fox tail. Step 11. Add details. Fox fur is usually colored and divided into parts, so you need to add these details to the drawing to make your fox drawing look natural. Step 12. Inking. Finally, before the cute fox art coloring process, trace the contours of your cartoon fox sketch with an ink pen or black marker. If there are no such supplies nearby, then do it with a small brush and black paint. Step 13. Color your cute fox. The sketching process is almost complete, you just have to color your artwork and the cartoon illustration will be complete. Well done! Now you can draw a cartoon fox. If you liked the lesson, don't forget to press your thumbs up, press the bell and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss the new release.